Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the cursor size of your macOS device. So, let's get straight into it. Alright, so just before we get started, apologies for the poor audio quality today. I've got a little bit of a scratchy throat, so I'm sort of a little bit harder to speak today, but I'll try and get this video done for you guys. It's a pretty short one, so hopefully it's nice and straightforward, and it'll allow you to make your cursor bigger so that a bigger audience can see it, or so that it's enlarged so it helps you be able to see the cursor a bit easier, because it can be quite small depending on your eye health and conditions. So to adjust the size, what you need to do is go into System Preferences, or on macOS Ventura it will be called System Settings, and then when you click on that, what you need to do is go to Accessibility. Now on macOS Ventura it will be a list on the left hand side, so if you're trying to find it, scroll down on the left here and you'll be able to find the accessibility options, or if you can't find it you can just search for it. But on macOS Monterey and older it'll look like this, and you can find accessibility right here. It's sort of around the middle area, and then it'll open a page like this. Now to adjust the cursor settings you need to go to the display section. Now if you want to adjust other accessibility settings, I have made a video about that already. You can check that out. I'll leave that linked up in the cards and in the description below, and that will allow you, gives a good overview of how to change all the accessibility options on your Mac if you want to do that. But today we're going to be focusing on just finding the mouse cursor size here. So what you need to do is go to display, and then you can go to pointer here, and then you've got a few options here. So you've got the option to shake the mouse pointer to locate it. So when you shake it around, you'll see it goes bigger to help you try and find it. I usually leave that on. It's a quite handy feature. But here you can see the pointer size options. So you can see it's set to normal by default. But if you want to turn it up, you can just drag it along here and you'll see that the pointer slowly gets bigger. And as I keep going across the scale, you'll see it slowly gets bigger all the way to the largest size option, which you can see here. So this is great if you want to see it, allow your bigger audience to see it, or to help your eyes find the pointer a bit easier, or you can go anywhere in between just to set it to something of your liking. So you can go back and forth and choose something that you really like. Now you've also got the options for pointer outline color and pointer fill color. So you can change what the outline of the pointer looks like. So for example, if you want a blue outlined pointer, you'll see that it's gone blue there when I've set that. And also, if you wanted to change the inside color for whatever reason, you could change that potentially to a white, or you could go maybe a red cursor with a blue outline. You've got many different options there, so you can customize that to your liking. And if you make a mistake and you want to change it, you can just click the reset button here, and it resets it back to the defaults. And also in this colors accessibility app, you can go through all these different spectrums and sliders to help you customize it to precisely what you would like to see. So yeah, that's it to changing the pointer size and other settings on your macOS device. Hopefully this was a super simple process to follow, and it allowed you to adjust that pointer size and also the color of your pointer. Once again, apologies for the audio today. I am on the mend, but yeah, my voice is just a little bit scratchy today, but I wanted to make sure I still got a video out for you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.